Hi, dear children. This is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. So, how are you all, children? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you, just close your eyes and pray. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amridam kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. So children, our today's topic is different professions. So profession can be defined as any type of work that needs special training or a particular skill that is respected because it involves a high level of education. In today's world, the options are diverse. One can choose a career from a wide range of options. So, in this session, we are going to see some of the professionals and what they say about their profession. So, the first profession, writer. Let's see what the writers say about their profession. I am very creative and I write story, poems, songs, etc. I also have excellent knowledge skills. People love to read or listen to what I write. So writers are very creative persons and write stories, poems, songs, etc. And also they published the story, poems, songs in a book also. They have excellent writing and communication skills. So some of the writers are working in a film and television dramas to write the script, and some of the writers are working in a newspaper and magazines. So skills for writers are excellent writing communication, perseverance, awareness of audience, and these are some of the skills for writers. So the writers also got many awards and rewards for their excellent writing skills. So the next one, pilot. Let's see what the pilot say about their profession. I am fond of flying. I fly airplanes and helicopters. I help people to reach their destination quicker. So the pilot primary responsibility is to operate the aircraft, but also they are responsible to determining safest routes, analyzing flight plans and monitoring weather conditions, calculating fuel and inspecting operation system and navigation equipments. And also they check the aircraft before every flight. The skills of pilots are clear communication, situation awareness, ability to handle the critical situation. These are the some of the skills of pilot. So the pilot also ensure all the passengers follow safety rules, and they are responsibility for the safety of our crew and passengers. So the next profession, soldiers. Soldiers say, I love my country. I will fight for it and I will always protect it from its enemies. I am very brave. So soldiers are very brave person and they love country and people and always protect the country and people from their enemies. Because of their selfless service only, we are happily living in the country. So many soldiers are protecting people and properties from their enemies. Mainly they are helping in disaster relief and emergency managing efforts. So, Army's 7 core values are loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. These are the 7 core value of Army soldiers. So the next one, veterinarian. Let's see what veterinarians say about their profession. I like animals. I care for them. People bring their pets to me if they fall sick. Farmers also take my help in treating their livestock. So veterinarians treat not only pets and also treat farmers' livestock, also other animals like wild animals also they are treating. So veterinarian diagnose animals' health problem, vaccinate them against the diseases, medicate animals suffering from the infections or illness, treat and dress wounds, also sometimes perform surgery. So some of the skills of veterinarian is compassion. So the veterinarian must be compassionate when working with animals and their owners. Problem solving skills, management skills, decision making skills. These are the some of the skills of veterinarian. So the veterinarian treat the animals and also give advice to the owner about animals feeding and behavior and breeding. So children, this class we have seen some of the professional and they are writer, pilot, soldier, veterinarian. So in our next session we will see some other professional and what they say about the profession. So children, please avoid mobiles, laptops, desktop or any other gadgets item after our session. Drink more water and eat healthy vegetables and fruit. Also stay home, stay safe. Thank you.